Hi, welcome to King Cash Pawn. My name is Pablo.
And I'm Victoria.
Here at King Cash Pawn, we offer you fast cash for all your unwanted items such as tools, phones, laptops, as well as your jewelry, all your unwanted gold, silver, coins, antiques, and collectibles. We also offer you loans for fantastically low rates. Just bring in all your items. We'll give you a fair price at a low rate and be happy to assist you with any questions or concerns that you may have. We also have a fantastic inventory of items that you can look through here.
Here at King Cash Pawn, we're not only a pawn shop, we are a jewelry store, a full-service jewelry store. We buy your wanted jewelry for top dollar. It doesn't matter what condition it is. It could be broken and looking old. We buy anything that has to do with anything. Jewelry such as diamonds, watches, name brand watches, Rolexes. We always give top dollar. We also do repairs. We do customized jewelry, do watch batteries for all kinds of watches, high-end watches as well. We sell jewelry at a very good prices. You can trade your jewelry for anything that you see that you like in our jewelry display. Come take a look. We have all kinds of jewelry for every occasion, as well as great prices. We have layaway plans. We also do trades. If you have jewelry, unwanted jewelry, come in. We'll do trades with you. We'll work with you.
Just bring in your item. We'll take a look, and based on our research, we'll promise to give you a fair price so that you can walk out with the money that you need today. All valid and legal picture IDs are accepted, including driver licenses, passports, non-driver state IDs, and medical marijuana cards. We are fully certified, licensed, and insured dealers in second-hand items and precious metals. We always follow all regulations and ordinances from the local, state, and federal level. If you are unable to pick up your items, just give us a call. We'll be happy to assist you and give you an extension on your items for when it's most convenient for you. If you happen to not have your receipt, no problem. Just bring in the ID that you used to pawn the item, and we'll be happy to get your item back to you in exactly how you left it, as if it was almost never gone. Our friendly and knowledgeable staff are eager to assist you at our location here on 47 Sunrise Highway in Lindenhurst, New York. We offer free parking and a friendly work environment.
Just come in. Come and meet us. You will be satisfied.